Come on. I'm on my other one.
Yahoo!
All right, good morning. Loaded up on bait again. Got one line out. Let's see what we can find. All right, just caught a nice size one. Has a little bit of a busted mouth. I'm gonna throw it out. Second bait. Maybe aha, damn. Oh, they're like baby mahi. I'm gonna try to do this without getting too tangled. Oh, I'm on double. I got a double mahi. Double mahi.
Oh, you're on right now?
Yeah, I just landed the first one. Let's see if I can get that hook at this guy. I just don't want him flopping around and hooking me. Chilling, not even running. I got a little rat one here. This one looks, I think, a little bigger. Not much though. Little 4 or 5 pounders. This was a pretty big bait on this one. Hopefully it didn't swallow it. And I can reuse it. Come on this side. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Nicer size one for sure. Oh. Oh, I lost the second one. Hook popped out right at the boat.
Is it big?
The first one's probably 4 or 5 pounder. The second one was probably closer to 8. Shoot. This is not good. What is this one? All right. I saw something jumping. But that's a pretty big run. my other line is all tangled. Okay. This was the short one. One of these, oh, my hat battery just died, I think. Okay, at my top shot. Maybe able to start seeing color, hopefully. The line is everywhere. That looks like an Ono. Not a big one, but I'll take. No, not that line. Oh no, got him.
How big?
25.
Oh, nice. You got that in pretty quick.
All right. It's been a minute since I've caught one of these. This one's probably 20, 25 pounds would be my guess, somewhere around there. Whew. I gotta lay down and untangle this one. It's all in my rudder. Swimming in. Come on. Did I lose it, or is it an Ono swimming toward me? Or is it a Mahi? What is this? Oh, it's a Mahi. It's weird that it didn't jump. I think it's a Mahi. I can't really see with the glare. It's a Mahi, small rat one. And that was my largest bait. Oh, he swallowed it too. Right in the meat, but I'm trying to avoid a tangle, a worse tangle. Mahi number 2 in the bag. Well, almost in the bag. Yeah, probably 6-7 pounds, I think. The junk thing is that it took the largest bait that I had, which is generally a bait I like to target Onos with. I have a couple medium size and a couple small left, and that's kind of burning through bait. Well, I just had a massive strike. It didn't stick though. I think so. Man, that was a big splash, guaranteed Ono. Well, I wonder what happened to the bait. I'm on my other one. Woo! It destroyed my first bait, came and got the second one. You can see what happened to that first one. I'm fighting this Ono now. Yeah. Still got a lot of line out. All right, at top shot. Oh, never mind. That was pretty cool. Benefit of running two lines, one short, one long, especially if they hit the short one first. That is an Ono. Got him. Yeah, this is what happened to the first bait. I don't know how they get that and then miss the trailer hook. It always baffles me. All right, number two. Probably around the same, this one's probably like 24, 25, right around the same size. All right, I'm gonna try to horse him in so it doesn't tangle my other line. If I lose him, I lose him. I got a double. I was wanting to save these baits for the Onos. All right, do I still have both on? I see that one over there. Is this one crossed? I can't tell. Yep, it's crossed. All right, if I do that. Wait, no. Which way is it crossed? Is it crossed twice? I can't tell. Let me see if I can just... Oh. Oh, I lost one. It got tangled in my line and snapped. I think the other one's still on. Yeah, that one cut. That's okay. It was small. Couldn't tell which way it was wrapped. think this is probably another 4 or 5 pounder. That was the Opelu. Ooh. Woo, he's excited. Acrobatic. All right, come on, get your energy out. These are small, but I'm not going to risk getting hooked trying to unhook them. Give these to friends. I mean, I wish I could give them away. I mean, like, let them go.
Yeah, that's a cute one.
It's like a pet. Yeah, 4 pounds. My bag's full. Oh. I think I'm just gonna run one line from now. Yeah, and just give me the bait tube when we get back.
Okay.
All right. This is strange. Down? Maybe a kava kava? That was a weird hit.
I'm on a MAHI.
All right, go get him. I have no idea what this is. Maybe a kava kava. I wonder what this is. I think that battery is dead. Should be able to see it. Oh, shark. It's a shark. Well, I got one tiny bait left after this. I gotta go find some more. And I'm on, this is wire too. It's a small shark. A little reef shark. Oh. Try to get some of my line back. How big?
Yeah, he's gonna weigh maybe 10 pounds.
Well, that's a good size one. I'm gonna let you go. I just need you closer, my man. Ah, I didn't want you to do that. Small one. See you, bub. It's like a submarine going down. All right. All right, heading in. Successful day. Lots of mahi. Couple of onos. My buddy got an ono. Good day. Shoots. Laters.